Hey everyone, it's Astrema Simone here, and today I am going to be doing a bedroom reset, bedroom refresh, revamp, something to just spruce up my bedroom. The master bedroom is looking a little untidied. I do have a shared nursery. You could say I share with my baby, and then we have another baby on the way, so things could get a little hectic and just out of place. I'm not really liking the bed sheets. I'm not really liking the placement of the mirrors. The mirrors need to go higher. We used to have a 3-drawer dresser on the sides, and then we had to put the 4-drawer dressers. All the things on the dresser just got misplaced because everything had to move around to make space for the new baby that's on the way. So I just wanted to kind of show you how you can refresh, revamp your bedroom on a budget. I'm just gonna walk you through the whole journey. This was a bit of a task. You're gonna see that we had bit fills at the stores looking for things to put over the bed. First, we're gonna go ahead and revamp the bed, and the best way to make your bed feel a little better is by switching out the mattress. We definitely need to clean under the bed first. Makai, get off of there. And he dances. Get down before you hurt yourself. Come, Kai Kai. Come on. Come on. Nilo, you get off that way. I want to go. Getting a thicker mattress, a higher mattress, a softer mattress, a cooler mattress can definitely revamp it. Before, we had like a 6-inch mattress, was kind of low, and it also was not very comfortable. Like, it was a memory foam, but the one that we're going to be switching it out with is 10 times better. Okay guys, let's get into this new beauty real quick. I just unboxed the new CoolNest mattress from SweetNight, and let me tell you, it's already feeling promising. This mattress comes with 2 foam samples. One is the SweetNight's unique gel flu sponge, and the other is your standard foam that comes in normal mattresses. Now watch this. You see how I can easily breathe through the gel flu sponge? You can literally feel the difference in airflow. The gel flu sponge has 3 times better breathability and is not just a gimmick. The technology that makes the CoolNest mattress feels up to 8 degrees cooler at night. When I press into this mattress, I instantly feel how cool and refreshing the surface is. It's because of their 3D woven CoolNest cover that increases the airflow by 35%. It's soft, beautiful, and genuinely cool to the touch. I did not know a mattress could feel like this. Inside, there's a 6-layer system that works hard while you sleep. Gel-infused memory foam, high resilience foam with a hollow structure, and a zone support layer all work together to cradle your body and keep you supported. And let's talk support. The 5-zone egro design means your head, shoulders, back, hips, and legs are all cared for individually. It contours to your body's natural curves and gives targeted pressure relief, especially if you deal with back pain like I do. One more thing I love is the motion isolation. If you share your bed with a partner or pets, this mattress keeps movement from transferring across the bed. No more being woken up every time someone rolls over. The CoolNest mattress is ideal for hot sleepers, side or back sleepers, couples, and anyone who wants real comfort without the luxury price tag. Plus, it's CertiPure US and OEKO-TEX certified, which means it's safe and non-toxic, built to last. If you're ready to sleep cooler and deeper, check out the CoolNest mattress through the link in my description box below. And don't forget, it comes with a 10-year warranty so you can sleep worry-free for the next decade. Big thanks to SweetNight for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into the rest of it. we got a new mattress on the bed, we need some new linen. With the new mattress, you need new linen. You need new bed sheets, new comforters, pillows, pillowcases, whatever, just to kind of tie it in. So here's where we're gonna make our way on over to Burlington to see what we can find. All right, so we're about to head into Burlington to see what we can get for the bedroom. Fingers crossed that we find what we need, and if not, I'm gonna have to look elsewhere. We came right into the bedding. This is beautiful. We trying to do budget. Burlington is perfect for when you're on a budget. This is little girls. So we have a queen size bed, y'all know. But I'm on a hunt for a nice calming color to bring it all together. Nice set. That goes with the bed as well. Introduce some black. How much is this 7-piece set? Not bad at all. Some satin. Okay. I love Eva Longoria. Is this? No, that's Dahlia Soda. So much to choose from. Definitely some pillows. There's more over here. I don't know. It's the king size. Definitely want some pillows. It's king size pillows. Should pack down. Yes, king size pillows. Okay. I'm gonna look at the paintings. See if I can find something. Something. You just never know. That's too plain. I'm dropping everything. Oh no. Oh, sneakerheads. Okay. Oh, this Hello Kitty is so cute. Van Gogh. Will I get lucky? Right, I don't think I'm having any luck with the paintings in this Burlington, but you know, you have to go to different ones. The fitted sheet with the pillow cases, satin, $20. Burlington has a great selection of, I got baby with me, a great selection of curtains for great prices. $24.99, $19.99. Trying to find one that I'm looking for. Look in your local Burlington if you can when it comes to curtains, even shower curtains, y'all. Great, budget friendly. Burlington wasn't a complete fail. I ended up getting this 2-pack of the cooling pillows. It's the standard size for a queen or like full bed. And it was $13.99 for the 2-pack, which I think is really nice. And then for a bed set, I end up going with this oversized comforter. It's like a luxury filled one. It's a 7-piece bedding set with the comforter, there's 2 standard shams, and the 4-piece sheet set, which I feel like is a steal. It's supposed to be like a relaxed retreat type of vibe and has like gray cool tones, and it was only $39.99, which is a steal. So now I want to go ahead and revamp the sides. The nightstands is another way that you can revamp your room to spruce it up in whichever way. In my way, I want to take the fragrances off of the dresser, so I have this idea of putting acrylic shelves on the sides of the wall. And you can put anything, it don't have to be fragrances, but it's just to maximize the space by using vertical space because I don't have much width space. And these shelves were very inexpensive on Amazon. I will have them linked down below. All right, so now that the mattress is all set here, I wanted to move on over to the dresser area. It's looking very congested and I'm not really having much space for anything else now that my fragrances are on top of here, and I just wanted to make it look more uniform. So I got a pack of 2 of the acrylic shelves that I had put up in my bathroom and made a skincare wall. So I decided I want to make a fragrance wall going on the side here. That's something that I feel like, you know, I could let come to life. So these I ordered off of Amazon. It's going to be 8, so I'm going to put 4 on each side. It was affordable. So this is how one acrylic shelf looks. It's about 4 inches wide and it should be able to fit all of the fragrances. I just want to put it here. We finally got it into the wall. I just lined up like some of my tallest perfumes just to have it on the bottom. And like that's what I'm kind of use as a guide here to put the next shelf so it's not too far apart. All right, we finally got it all up. This is the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and add the fragrances. We had to put bigger screws here because we were touching a beam on this side, and then as we went up there was a beam on this side. We don't have a beam reader, so I would say be mindful of that. So it did take a little bit of time, but I feel like it was definitely worth it. And I love the acrylic look. Even if you are not leveled, you won't really be able to tell because it's acrylic, but they did have other colors available if you didn't want to do acrylic, but I just feel like it's more aesthetic and I like the look of it. And I did the other side to my husband's side as well. I decided that I wanted to put something in that space above the bed head. The spacing is very empty. I don't really have to put anything there. It's an upholster bed head, so it's kind of high, but I felt like I wanted to just put something there to have like a focal point over the bed. So I went on another hunt for something to put over the bed head, and it definitely was a fail. We went on over to At Home to see if we could find something. I definitely did not find anything in that Burlington, but you definitely want to go to different stores and see what you can find. that was a huge fail. The next option to be budget friendly, I would say, is to try to shop your home, especially if you have a lot of accumulated home decor items or just anything lying around. In my case, I had something lying around, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint this home decor item that I had in my old hallway, which actually fits over the bed perfectly, but the gold and blue tones does not match the bedroom currently. This spray paint was very inexpensive from Walmart. It was under $10, so you can literally spray paint whatever you want, and that's another way to revamp. Alright, I did a test spot right there. Looks like we might be getting somewhere. You definitely want to do this outside or a well-ventilated area. It's a little windy though, but I think we're good. Okay, we're almost there. This is from about 2 coats. I'm gonna let this dry and then we can hang. Go ahead and take the vase for the floor plant that's in the living room and switch it to in here. I feel like it's gonna look better and it will stop baby boy from pulling the faux grass out of it as well. You guys, this is the final look. I am loving the way it turned out. Of course, there are a lot of other things that I can add to it, but for a quick little refresh, revamp, I think everything tied in together great. I'm loving the silver on the piece here. I'm loving the mirrors rising, loving the fragrance shelves. The comforter set is so soft and luxurious. It feels so soft, you guys. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you feel inspired, you got any ideas, or you just enjoyed this refresh makeover vlog with me. And I hope you stick around if you're new to my channel and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching today.